Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is a December update of what's sold on eBay over 1,000 times. If you're new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse. I've been selling on eBay for 23 years and I'm also the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. For this update, I've used eBay listings from Australia and also the USA. The first item that's sold on eBay over 1,000 times is a safety lock, and these have sold 3,116 times. The next item are some outdoor solar lights, and these have sold 8,629 times. The next item is a chainsaw, and they've sold 14,203 times. The next item is a torch, and these have sold 50,954 times. The next item is a spanner set, and these have sold 4,848 times. The next item is a gaming chair, and they've sold 5,369 times. Next is a bed rail, and they've sold on eBay 3,761 times. Next is a portable massage table, and they've sold 1,798 times. Next is a Lego base plate, and they've sold 16,369 times. Next are some bar stools, and they've sold 3,593 times. If you want to see more videos to help you on your online journey from working from home using eBay and Amazon, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified of new videos. That's all for this week. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, all the very best to you and your family for Christmas. Stay safe, live more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.